Ready to explore the power of DeepSeek AI but don't have an account yet? No worries, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign up and get started in no time. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up to DeepSeek AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open DeepSeek AI app. Here on the home page, look for the sign up button. Then tap on it. Now in this page, you'll need to enter a valid email address and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account safe. Here tap on the send code button so that DeepSeek can send a code to your email and you can enter it in the text box. Now enter the code that was sent to your email. Then tap on the radio button in order to confirm to the DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policy. And finally tap on the sign up button. And there you have it, you're now officially signed up for DeepSeek AI. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.